Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this happened. What happened to this iPhone?
I don't know.
Did you use Android charger?
No.
Looks like pregnant.
Oh, as long as it's not my husband's.
Oh my god, you cannot even close the screen.
No.
Wow.
Nothing.
Don't worry, I got you.
Good.
Damn, you're about to have triplets.
If it's not triplets, I think it's mom, dad, and the baby.
Oh my gosh.
Beautiful dog.
Baby is out.
A boy or girl?
This one is 2 girls, 1 boy. Now, this is normal size battery, and this is what came out. Look at that. Damn. Your phone is ready, miss.
Wow,
Now
thank you.
your baby is safe, and this was your old one.
Oh my God. These are the biggest triplets I ever seen on a phone. Oh my God. Thank you so much. You
You're
really
welcome.
are the best. Thank you. Wow.
You're welcome.